Good morning, children. Welcome to your another session of English online class. In the last class, we were connected some things from the story Ben's Christmas Wish with our own lives. So in today, ma'am bringing to you another new lesson. So the name of the lesson is More Questions, and the aim of this lesson is you will be able to ask yes or no questions starting with do or does. So in today we are going to ask the question of yes or no questions, and we will learn how to ask these questions. Now dears, look at this picture. Who is in the picture? Yes, Ben is in the picture. Ben is playing with his dog. Then what does Ben have in his hand? You are right. Ben has snow in his hand. And what do you see outside of his house? Right? Yes, there is a pink car and some part of Christmas tree you can see there, and also a big house is there. Okay dears, look at his face. Does Ben look happy? No? Yes, as we can see in this picture, Ben is looking very happy. He is looking so happy. Then do you see his father in this picture? No, his father is not there in this picture. Okay then, ma'am will ask something to you. Dears, do you have a toy car? Let me write first that question. Do you have a toy car? Do you have a toy car? Yes, most of us having the car. Then if ma'am wants to ask the same question about your friend, so how will I ask this question, dears? Just think about it. Yes, we can ask does, D-O-E-S, does he or she, any friend we can. So we can write he or she have a, like the same sentence, have a toy car. So here it is a question. So there we need to put a full stop. So does he or she have a toy car? Am I right? Okay, what about this he and she? We will talk about this also. We have already learned in your grade 1. What about this he and she? That are pronouns. Am I right? Yes, this he, she, they, you, it, these all are pronouns. So in case of a boy, this he, we are using this word he for a person who is a boy. Then for a girls we are using, yes, this she, right? Okay, suppose if I'm asking to a girl, if ma'am asking a question to a girl, so what will I ask? Yes, just cut this he and write, does she have a toy car? In this way we can ask. So for boys we are using he, and for girls we are using she. Okay dears, then you know what we are going to do now? Yes, we are going to play a game, and it is a very interesting game, you know dears. Here in this game we are using an empty bottle. A bottle we are using. So what will you do with this bottle? Yes, I'll tell you how to play this game. Here you can sit in a circle. For this game, at least you need 2 participants from your family. It may be your father, mother, or anyone like that. At least 2 participants you need for this game, and you can sit in a circle with them and take this bottle. You will use this empty bottle and do the spinning. You have to spin the bottle, and after that, when it stops spinning, you have to check this bottle's mouth side. If this bottle mouth side is standing towards your side, you have to ask 2 questions to another person, those who are playing with you at that time. So, I'm repeating again. First, after spinning, you have to check this bottle mouth side. If it is standing to you, that time you have to ask 2 questions, and there is one condition. There is one rule. What is the rule? Yes, from these questions, one question must be about Ben from the story Ben's Christmas Wish, and the next question, it is about anything you can ask. It is depends upon your wish. So dears, here suppose 2 questions like, does Ben look happy? Does Ben look happy? This is a question, right? Ma'am asking this question about a Ben. Does Ben look happy in that picture? Yes. So this is the question I took from this Ben story. And the second question that you need to take from outside. So how can we make a question from outside? Yes, let's start with do you. So do you have, in the same questions, let's take to right here. Do you have a toy car? Yes, these questions you are asking to that person. Yes. Is it clear to you? Okay, then let's play the game with this empty bottle. Hi dears, good morning. How are you all?
I hope you are safe at your home. Have you had your breakfast?
Okay, how do you feel? Yes, we are feeling so happy.
Yes, we are feeling so happy. Now, let's play a game with this bottle. Are you ready?
Do you know how to play this game? Okay, don't worry, ma'am will explain to you how to play this game. When I spin the bottle, if it is standing, if the bottle's mouth side is standing towards his side, our Chesong sir side, he wants to ask 2 questions to me. One question from our story, Ben's Christmas Wish, and one is from outside.
Yes, my little children, if the bottle is facing towards our Jaffna ma'am will be asking 2 questions to me. Okay.
Ready to play this game? Yes, we are ready to play this game. So first, ma'am will going to do the spinning. Okay, sir, may I?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yay! Now it's my turn. So ma'am want to ask 2 questions to sir. So can I ask 2 questions to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
I'm ready.
Okay. Does he have a dog?
Yes, he has a dog.
Yes, his answer is correct. So my next question is, do you go to the beach?
Oh, I don't go to the beach.
Oh, you don't go? Okay, we can go one time together. Are you ready with me?
Yes.
Okay, then next your turn. You can do the spinning.
Now, I'm going to spin the bottle. Are you ready, ma'am?
Yes, sure.
Are you ready, my dear children? Okay. Yes. Now, it's my turn to ask question to our Jaffna ma'am. Okay, let's ask. Do you know where Ben lives?
Yes, Ben lives in England. Am I right?
Yes. Our Jaffna ma'am has given us the correct answer. So, let's give a clap to our Jaffna ma'am. Yes, now we will go for the second question, that is outside of the lesson. Okay. So, Jaffna ma'am, are you ready?
Yes, sure.
Okay, let's ask. Do you have a friend?
No, sir, I don't have a friend.
Oh, so sad. See, our Jaffna ma'am has no friend. So, my dear children, do you want to be our Jaffna ma'am's friend? Yes.
Let's continue. So now, sir, I'm going to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now again it's my turn. So I want to ask 2 questions. So sir, first it is from Ben's story.
Okay.
Okay. The question is, does Ben like to play with his dog?
Yes, Ben likes to play with his dog.
Okay, very good. You are right, sir. Okay, my next question is, do you like chocolates?
Oh, I don't like chocolates.
Chocolates?
No, ma'am.
What about you, children? Do you like chocolates? Yes, ma'am also liked to eat chocolates very much. But he is right. We don't want to eat more chocolates because it will affect us badly. So, dear children, now we are going to wind up this game. You can play this game with your parents or with your siblings. So, stay at home. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay children, I hope you all have understood this bottle game. You know, ma'am played with that game with our Chesong sir, your computer sir. Okay, I hope you all have enjoyed that game and you can play that game with your family members also. Okay, let's come back to the lesson. Listen to hear more questions. These are the questions and answers that ma'am took from that game that we used to ask. These are the questions. These are some of the questions. So listen to the questions. In the first side, ma'am wrote some questions, and the second side and the second column, here ma'am wrote the answers. So what about these questions? Do you know where Ben lives? Do you have a friend? Does he have a dog? Do you go to the park or beach? Do you go to the beach? So what about these questions? Have you noticed anything common? Yes, in all these questions we used do or does. Here in all these questions ma'am used do or does. Do or does to begin the questions. And what about these answers? Yes, is there anything was common in these answers? Yes, just see. Yes, Ben lives in England. No, I don't have a friend. Yes, he have a dog. No, I don't go to the park. So, is there anything was common? Yes, here all these answers are either yes or no. So dears, these type of questions and answers are we called yes or no questions. So the questions which are start with do or does, and they always have their answers with yes or no. So these are we called yes or no questions. And you know dears, these do and does questions are different from WH questions. WH questions. What are the WH questions? Yes, the questions such as what, why, where, when, and who. These questions have different answers for different question words. You know, just for an example, in this what case, for example, this answer of what question is about a thing. Then what about this why? Yes, here we need to get the reason, and where to get the place, and when to know about the time, and who we need to get some idea about the person. Am I right? So these WH questions have different types of answers. Different types of answers these questions have. Then what about these do and does questions that have either yes or no answers? And also all the questions are sentences, but they always ends with a question mark instead of a full stop. So dears, I hope you all have get the idea about these yes or no questions. Okay then, shall we play one more game? Okay, let's play a game with these letter cards. I told you in the last class you have to keep these all letter cards in a box. Have you done that? Okay, so now we are going to use these letter cards to play a game. Now we are going to make words with SM and ST. We are going to make words with SM and ST by using these letter cards. So here ma'am will take some letters from this box. So the letters are A, E, L, L, M, S and T. So dears, these are the letters that I have taken from this box. So now we are going to make words with these SM and ST by using these letters only. So before going to start this activity, you will be aware with the sounds of these letters. If you are familiar with the sounds of these letters, then only you will aware to make the words. So what about these SM and ST? How can we read this word together? SM, yes, S letter have S sound and M letter M and S and what about this letter T? T. So here SM together that makes SM. And what about this ST? It makes the sound st. S plus t. Then what about these letter sounds? A, R, E, A, L, L. Again 2 L are there. And M, M. Then S, and the letter T have T sound. So some rules are there while playing this game. What are the rules? Yes, first of all, you have to make a word by using these letters, and after that you will say a sentence with that word. What is the word that you made? So by using that word, you have to say one sentence while playing that game. And also, first you will start with 2 letter word, then 3 letter, after that 4 letter, and at last 5 or 6 letter words you can make by using these letters. For example, ma'am here take this A and T first. So here I made a word, it is at. A letter have R sound and plus T. T. At. What is? How to read? At. At. Read it. Speak up with me. At. So dears, here after making this word, what you will do now? Yes, here you have to say one sentence. So say one sentence with this word. Yes, I go to school at 8 o'clock, right? So this way we can make sentence. So while playing that game, whatever the words that you got on the spot, you have to make a sentence with that word. So dears, ma'am will show you a correct way for playing that game. How to play this word game in a proper way, in a correct way. You know how we are playing that game? Yes, we are playing that game by replacing. Replacing means either by adding or by removing a letter from the previous word to make a new word. So see this video. Dears, these are the letter cards that I have taken from this box. By using these letter cards, we will make words. Okay, let's make a word with this letter A and T. So this is the first word I already made from before. Here the word it is at. So the letters A has A sound plus the letter T that has T sound. So how to read this word? It is at. What is the word? At. So this time you have to say one sentence with this word. So let's say one sentence. I go to school at 8 o'clock. Now make one more word either by adding or by removing any letter from this word. So now here ma'am going to add the letter M to this word. So what about this word? Now here we got another word. It is mat. So dears, let's make a sentence with this word. Yes, let's make a sentence like the cat sat on the mat. Now make one more word by changing the first letter. So ma'am, replacing the letter M with the letter S. So what will be the word? Yes, it is sat. Then let's replace the vowel letter A with E. So it is set. The letter S has S sound, E has A plus the letter T, T sound. So set, set. Speak up the word with me dears. Set. The word is set. Now again make one more word. So ma'am, I am changing the T letter with these two L. So here we got another word. It is cell. What is it? Cell. Okay, now ma'am adding the letter M after this S. So what about the word? It is smell. What is the word? Smell. Okay, then let's change again the letter E with A. So here we got another word. It is small. What is the word? It is small. Okay, then again I'm going to make one more word by replacing the letter M with T. So what about the word? It is stall. Okay, let's remove this three letter together and let's add the letter E and M. So what about the word? It is stem. So how many letters are here? Yes, here 4 letters. Before this, we have made one word. It is stall. What is the word? Yes, it is stall. Here how many letters? Here 5 letters are there. S, T, A, L, L. So I have used 5 letters. So now make one more word by adding the letter S. So what will be the word? Yes, here we got a new word. It is stalls. So dears, this is how we do this word by using these letter cards. Thank you.
Okay, my question is, can anybody make a bigger word than these stalls? Yes, here after that game, at last we got the word. It is stalls. How many letters are there? Yes, that is a 6-letter word. So when we check these letters of these words, we know that 2 letters are remaining. 2 letters are still outside. So what are the letters? Yes, the letters are E and M. So here, as we can see from this word, we know that the letter E and M, they are still out. So can you make a longest word by using all these 8-letter cards? So dear parents, please hold this video and let them use these 8-letter cards to make a longest word. Okay, after getting this longest word, please send me personally. I don't know what is the biggest word it is. So dears, then ma'am will tell you some more words. That words are swing, swing, swim and swipe. Listen to me carefully. The words are swim and swing. Then the last one it is swipe. The words swim, swing and swipe. These are the words. So what sound do you hear in the beginning of these words? Here, yes, it is the sound swa. What is the sound? It is swa. Swim, swing and swipe. So which letter that makes this sound swa? Swa sound. It is the letters S and W. The letters S and W makes the sound swa. Swa sound. S letter have S sound and the W letter that have W sound. So together that makes the sound swa. So can you say more words with these swa sound words? Swa? Yes. Say loudly. Yes, it is switch. Switch. Then, oh, you are right. It is sweet. I like sweet. Then, sweater. Very good. So, these are some words that we can make by using the sound swa. S-W that makes swa. So, these are also one more blend. SW. These are also one more blend, and before that we learn ST and SM. So these are the three blends that we learned that we made some words by using that letter card also. SM. So ST. What about the words? What are the words that we made? Star. Stall, like that. What about SM? Can you say two words with this word, with this sound? Sm, smell and small, smallest. Then what about sw? Sweater, swing, switch, like that. So dears, let's move to our workbook. Open page number 23 from your workbook, S3. More questions. So number 1, match the questions with their answer. So in one side, the questions are given and the second side, the answers are given. So here, what will you do? Here you have to match the questions with their answers. So we already know that the questions which are start with do or does, they always have their answers with yes or no. From this question, letter A, when do you go to the beach? It is this question from WH family question word, right? It is when do you go to the beach? And B, do they like to draw? What does he like to do? Does she have a dog? Do you like chocolate? So these are the questions. So what about the first one? When do you go to the beach? Yes, here they need to get the time. When do you go to the beach? So which time they are going? Yes, it is here. I go to the beach every Sunday. Do they like to draw? Yes, it is a do question. So here these questions are start with do. So what about this here? Some answers are given in yes or no. So you have to check which one is matching with these questions and based upon that match here these answers. Then number 2, write question for the given answers. So here answers are given. So you have to frame the question. You have to make the questions for the given answer. So what is the given answer? It is yes, I have a younger brother. So here you have to make a question. What would be the question? Yes, the question will be yes, I have a younger brother. So let's hear this answer is starting with yes. So we have to make a question with do. Do you have a younger brother? Then what about next one? No, I don't know how to swim. So this is also, it is also a yes or no question. So let's make do you know how to swim? This is the question of this answer. Do you know how to swim? And do you have a younger brother? And look at the picture and write 2 questions about it. So here a picture of a school. So by looking this picture you will make how many questions? 2 questions. What will be the questions? Yes, we can ask where is the school or when do you go to school? Like this you can ask. Okay, then let's move to the new blends that are making words with SM, sm, st and sw. SM, SD and SW words. Use ST or SM to complete the words. Here, two boxes are there, and in between, in the middle of this box, two blends are given. The blends are ST or SM. So you have to match, you have to use which one is proper, which one is matching with this word. So smart, it is already given. Then there is dash, dash, then ORY. So if you are taking SM, if you are taking the letters S and M together, what would be the answer here? What will be the word? Yes, it is smorey. Is there any proper meaning that word have you heard this word? No, it is not a meaningful word. So here we can add, let's add ST. So what about the word will become? Yes, it will become a meaningful word. It is story. Then like this, you have to complete this box. Then number 2, fill in the table with two new words that begin with ST, SM and SW. Here also, you have to find out two words with these still, sm and sw. So what are the words still? Yes, star, stand, SM, smell or smart. Then what about this SW? Yes, SW, sweater, sweet or swing, like that. You can write here. Make one sentence each with words that begin with the letters ST and SM. So here you have to make two sentences with this ST and SM. So let's make a word with this star. Let's make a sentence with this star. The word star. Yes, there are many stars in the sky. Or what about SM? Okay, let's take the word smart. Yes, you look very smart. Like that, you can make any two sentence by using with this word. Okay, then what about this PQ questions? There are 4, 5 and 6 questions also there. Write two words that begin with st sound. ST sound, two words you can write. So simple. Then making words. Here also 8 letters are given. So by using these 8 letters, you have to make maximum number of st sound. Then last one, why do we ask questions? Why do we ask questions? Yes, we ask questions when we want to know some things or to get some information from others. So this time we are asking question. So dears, so these are the homeworks that you have to do in your notebook. Here very few things are there that you need to write on your notebook. 2 words, at least 2 words with the st sound, and making word also no need to write this question. Okay dears, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.